My name is Abhijit Dilip Karmakar. Hello, my name is Abhijit Dilip Karmakar, and today's date is 6 November, 6 December 2021. And today's Java topic is a string. So we will discuss in this topic what is a string, what can work string in an Java. So we will discuss in brief uh, of string. So Java is a string is a basically an object that represents sequence of character values. Uh, an array of character works same as a Java string. So Java string is provide a lot of methods to perform operations on a string, such as a compare, concat, equals, split, length, replace, compare to intern or substring, uh, to uppercase to lowercase. uh, Character sequence interface. What is a character sequence interface? In the sequence interface is used to represent the sequence of character. uh, a string buffer and string builder is used in character sequence interface. uh, the Java string is immutable, which means it cannot be changed. The string immutable, which cannot be changed. Whenever we change any string, a new instance is created for a mutable string. You can use string buffer and string builder classes in that. So we will discuss immutable string later. Let's first understand what string in a Java is, and how to create an string object. What is string in a Java? So basically, a string is a sequence of character, but in Java, string is an object that represents a sequence of character. the the Java lang string class is used to create a string object. How to create a string or a string object? There are two ways to create a string object: by literal string and by new keyword. So we will discuss string literal. String literal is created using double quotes. So each time you create a string literal, the JVM checks the string constant pool first. If the string is already exist in the pool, a reference to the pool instance is returned. If the string doesn't exist in the pool, a new string instance is created and placed in the pool. So we will why Java uses the concept of string literal. So string literal is make to Java more memory efficient, because no new object are created if it exists already in the string constant pool. So that's why Java use a concept of string literal. There are second point in the string. These are new keyword. New keyword is a in such case JVM is a will create a new string object in normal heap memory, and will and in the literal welcome in the literal the object are stored in a literal will be placed in a string constant pool. The variable will be referred to the object is in heap, means non-pool memory. And we will go next in string class method. What is a method? Method is a ready-made ready-made method who store in a JVM. So to in a method, Java lang string class provide many useful methods to perform operations on sequence of char values, means character values. So for we will see some methods in a string. So first one is a char char is returns character value for the particular index. So next method is integer length. Integer returns string length. Next is a boolean contains. It is returns true or false after matching a sequence of character values. Equals method are checks the equality of string the given object. Boolean is a check string is empty or not. String concat concatenate the specified string split. It returns split string matching rejects. So these are the some methods in a string. Many more methods in that. Particularly we told that these are the for example, these are the methods. So thank you. These are the today's video topic is over.